The Outer Banks. Paradise on Earth.
Well, your left hand's free, and your right team's left. Schwartz is gone. Missing someone.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lexi. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video is super exciting. I will be showing you guys Outer Banks inspired outfits, as you guys can see by the title. I finished watching Outer Banks a few weeks ago. I'm finally making this video because I felt like it was perfect for summertime. I really wanted to throw up some inspired Outer Banks outfit ideas that you could totally wear for the summer. Now, I have a bunch of different outfits, and it's a It's a wide variety between Kiara, Sarah, and John B. Their style in the show was so like cool. It was chill, comfortable, sometimes girly if you're going for Sarah's vibe. Sarah's vibe was more girly than Kiara's. But honestly, the outfits were super fun and I loved it. This show is honestly amazing. If you haven't watched it, I think you guys should totally check it out. I'm more of a JJ girl than a John B girl. Don't come at me. All the characters are honestly so likable, and the show was just so much fun. It was definitely a perfect summer show. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and to give this video a like. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. As you can see here, I just tried to recreate what Sarah wore. So for the top, it was just a summer top, spaghetti straps. I think it totally fit the vibe. It's very summery, very girly, and it's super cute. I almost fell over. So Kiara usually wears laid-back beachy outfits, and she always accessorizes with these beaded choker necklaces, but I just had the seashell ones, which gave the perfect beach vibe, so I just added that as well. I just thought it was super cute, super fun, and it was like perfect for summer. I can't find it.
What's she doing?
She's looking for treasure. Is the treasure over here? I can't find it. I don't know where it is. So for John B, he usually wears some collared shirts and shorts. And I just wore this shirt that was similar, but I just added my own twist to it. He also wears bandanas a lot, so I just paired that with his outfit to give it an overall beachy, Pogue life vibe. I think I found a treasure over here. So this outfit was inspired by Sarah's outfit. I wore these white jeans and a tube top that she wore on the show. Her style is a mix between beachy and girly, and she always wears some gold necklaces and chokers, so I paired that with the outfit as well. This outfit is definitely easy, it's affordable, and it's pretty simple as well. So it was just the perfect summer vibe. So for this next outfit, this is one of Key's laid back outfits, more every day. You can totally wear this anywhere. So yeah, we just had a nice summertime top and we just tied it in the front to mimic what she does. The classic bandana and her signature little look, and a nice beach shell necklace.
I woke up with going in my veins. Thankful for peace in the air that I breathe. Thankful God is smiling.
And there you guys have it. Those were my 5 Outer Banks inspired outfit ideas. Comment down below what your favorite outfit that I showed you was. And comment down below your favorite character as well, because I'm interested to see which characters you guys like the most. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and to give this video a like. And I post every Sunday, so I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.